Okay, thank you guys again for joining me. If you're new here, I am Diamond. This is another quick video that I wanted to film for you guys. This is weird things that I do that are totally not relatable. And if you do relate, you are weird. My bad. Had to break it to you. Okay, so we're gonna get straight into it. As I said, quick video. We're just trying to get quick on this channel. We're trying to do things a little bit quicker. The first thing is I don't feel pain like regular people. Now, I don't know if that's gonna make people beat me up. oh, my bad. There we go. I don't know if that's gonna make people beat me up, but I don't feel pain. It's okay. I feel pain. I feel pain, but it's not like normal people. I guess I'm dead inside probably, which is why I don't feel pain as much as other people. So I have two examples. One is when I was in high school, I used to play a lot of different sports, and one of the sports that I used to play is football, as some people say soccer. But I used to play football, and show you my, we had to wear like a shin guard and socks, and I didn't wear the shin guards because I was just like, okay, whatever. And I finally got a shin guard, and I put the shin guard on, and I was a defender, by the way. I was, MVP, period. Everything I do, I try to do my best. Anyways, so, which is why I don't do, which was why I really want to do some stuff to see really how far I can go if I really do a lot of different stuff. Anyways, whatever, what am I saying? So I had the shin guard. Oh shit. So I had the shin guard on, right? Oh my god, what the hell is happening? Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, is that better? God, what is going on? So I had the shin guard on. Right? And I was, playing like regular, and then the shin guard like kind of slid down. So when I kicked the ball or whatever, it rubbed up, and it ripped the skin off this entire area. Okay, so this entire area all the way down was just bleeding, and I took my socks off. I took the shin guard off. I rolled the socks down, because we had on short pants. And I was just walking, and everybody's like, "Oh my god, your foot is bleeding! Oh my god!" You get people passing out, Oh my god, your foot is bleeding. Are you okay? And I'm just like, bro, relax. If I'm not crying, why are you crying? Why are you crying? What are you feeling? Let me know. What are you feeling right now? I'm here to listen, Another example is, I was living with my dad, and if you guys know corned beef, it has like a key. So you put the key in and you twist it around the bottom, and then, you open it up and you take the corned beef out, right? So I'm using the corned beef, and I'm rolling it, and I'm getting bored and tired and whatever. And I'm, twisting it, and then it partially opened, and I don't know what came over me, because I'm not normally stupid, but whatever. So I held it like that, and I ripped it open, right? So I ripped it open, and then it sliced the top of my fingers clean open. So it was like like when you zip a bag open and you have it, that's how my fingers were, right? Zip my fingers open. So my fingers were like open, right? So I was there, and the blood was just spraying out, just flying all over the place. I just calmly walked to the pipe, because the pipe is outside, because whatever. And I just calmly walked to the pipe, washed my hands, right? Just washed my hands. And then I kept on going with the meal. The part of the corned beef that had the blood on it, I just scooped that part out and threw it outside. The dogs ate it. I just kept on cooking. Everybody's like, "Oh my god, your hand's bleeding. wrap it up quickly before your fingertips fall off. You know, I'm just like, okay, I'm wrapping it. I'll wrap it up when I'm done, you know, whatever. And people's like, God, she's crazy. She's crazy. She doesn't have feelings. She doesn't have emotion. So I don't feel pain as much as other people. So, but I feel a lot of pain emotionally. I feel a lot of pain, but like physical pain, I don't know. Maybe because I have so much emotional pain, I don't like tune into my physical pain as much. But that's a work job for my therapist. I don't have a therapist right now, so that's too bad. Okay, the next thing that I do that's weird is like if the time is 1:35 p.m. I don't say like how it is. I'd say 135 o'clock, whatever. And let's say the time is 6:11. I don't say the time is 6:11. I'd say the time is 66. Okay? Or I use songs to measure the time. So I'd say it took me like 3 Eminem songs to get over here. It took me, you know, 5 Drake songs. It took me 5 songs. Michael Jackson song. It took me 5 times repeating Billie Jean to get here. You know, that's how I measure time. So hopefully I'm not the only person, because that is weird. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I brush my foot off. You know, like when you're going on the bed and you just like walked and stuff. I brush my foot off like the praying mantis. So I put my foot together like this, and I just be brushing my foot before I go into the bed. I feel like everybody does that. Does everybody do that? Yeah, everybody should do that. That's not too weird. If I forget something, I go back in the room. I feel like everybody does that as well. It's not too weird. It's weird, but it's, you know, not too weird. You go back in the room, you remember what, you know, you forgot, and you go back out again. Great. I lay in chairs and I sit in my bed. Like how I'm sitting up in my bed right now. I just be sitting up straight in the bed when there's no backing, there's no back support or anything like that. But when I'm in chairs, I lean down and I lay across the chairs, and I'm just like, what the hell? Like that's so weird. Anyways, whatever. I cannot remember what happened yesterday, but I can remember what happened in the summer of 1969, and I wasn't even born. Period. I don't remember. What happened yesterday? December 3rd, December 2nd. What happened December 2nd? I don't remember. Something. Wow. Oh, I made soup yesterday. Love soup. Oh my god. I love soup. I should heat the rest up and eat it right after I'm finished filming this video. So that's what I'm gonna do. It is now 12:23 p.m. December 3rd. Okay, gotta film before my mom gets here. What else? Oh, I don't really have a lot of shoes. I would show you guys my shoe collection, but I don't want to. But I have a lot of shoes, like 10, 20, 12, and I only wear one. I only wear one slippers that I wear it everywhere that I go. They're all black. All my shoes and my slippers and everything, they're all black, which I love. Anyways, so the next thing is, whenever I'm about to shower, I open all my drawers and all my in the closet and stuff, and I visualize all the clothes together. So I visualize outfits. So I just open like all the drawers and stuff, and I just stare at the clothes, and I just put them together in my mind. I don't know if anyone else does that. Probably because I do designing as well, probably. I don't know, maybe that's, you know, normal. That's normal. Okay, what else? Oh, I can talk to the same person on different apps and have different conversations. I feel like everybody does that. Doesn't everybody do that, right? Right, yeah. So, like even my brother, Norman, my good brother, whatever. So I'll be talking to him on Instagram, and I'm talking to him on Messenger and I'm talking to him on WhatsApp and it's 3 different conversations. I'm like, Norman, please. It's still me, you know. It's still me, you know. We're here, you know. We're here. Just talk to me, you know. Just talk to me on one app. I'll just try to combine the 3 conversations about, you know, into one. Oh, I sniff the alcohol like it's crack. What else? I cannot date someone for more than a month. If I'm dating you for even a week, I can already tell, like, okay, I like this person, I don't like this person, I, you know, this person has these qualities that I, whatever. I can tell that in like a week. So if I'm dating you for a month and you can't say, okay, you know, I like you, or this is what I want to do, or this is what I see in a month, which is 30 something days, then, you know, where are we going? You know, what if I gave, like, as some people say, 3-month rule? You know, what if I gave people the 3-month rule? That's me giving everyone the 3-month rule. That's me wasting 3 months of my life for every single date that I go on. That is stupid. In a week, you should know, listen, I don't like this girl. I don't like this woman. She is crazy. She makes too much lame jokes. She, you know, talks too much. Whatever. You should know that in the first week. If you can handle it, if you can't handle it, you know, whatever. Don't let me wait until 3, 4, 5, 6 months and you say, oh, you know, I didn't like this, bitch. Oh my God. 1 month. Some people I give 2 weeks. If you don't get it together in 2 weeks, in 1 week, you gotta go. Okay, so this one is kind of like a hack. When my hair was 4C to the 2nd power, it is no longer that. I guess it's still that, but it's relaxed right now. So when my hair was 4C, oh, what is this? When my hair was, you know, regular, I would braid upwards. Like if I'm wearing a cap, I braid from the tip right here and I braid up this way. And I braid up this way, right? So I braid my hair up and then I'd put the cap on, so it would, like, you get what I'm saying, so you don't have these sides sticking out. I mean, the other option would be like use your finger and just like stick it in when you put the cap on, but I just usually braid my hair. I don't know why, whatever. The next thing I do is I sleep on the floor sometimes. Usually I don't do that shit no more, but I used to sleep on the floor to avoid messing up the bed. But I feel like that was just too controlling, you know. It was too controlling. I was trying to control everything, and everything has to be in this specific way at this time and this, and it was just kind of making me crazy. So now I just lay on the bed. The bed is messy, it's cool, it's clean, it's cool. I'm just trying to relax. I'm not very relaxed. The second to last, what is this? Okay, I'm not saying that one, that is stupid. The last one is I call people by any name, any middle name. So like Michael Jackson is Michael Joseph Jackson, and I'd say Michael Michelle Jackson. I just be saying any middle name, giving anybody any middle name. Like how I heard somebody say Jesus Devontae Christ. Oh my God, Jesus Devontae Christ, you know? So I just give people any middle name, anything that comes to my mind. The first thing that comes to my mind, I don't care if it's male, female, whatever the gender you are, I will call you any name that comes to my mind. I do apologize in advance. Okay? If I know your middle name, I'm still gonna not say it because obviously I want to do this, and not like I'm like, you know, this is just something that I do accidentally, but whatever. Yeah, that's it. 14 minutes. That's it. Have a great oh, I'm just ending this like that. Oh, that's abrupt. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, DM me, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.